Do you lose hope?
Musumba Yesu yebazwe.
Amen.
Manya gange nze nabadde Hajara. Nagenda ku kyeyo nenkola ne malako nenkomawo nga njagala okuddayo. Ne Musumba nakomawo mu Desemba. Nakomawo mu gwe 11 nga 12 nga njagala okuddayo mwezi ng'ogwokubiri.
Essubi lyakugweramu.
You lost hope from where?
Essubi we lyanzigweramu nalina mukwano gwange yali ampangira okugenda ku visa ngende nenoonyeza omulimu. Nentuuka n'abipanga ne biggwa. Sente ze
How old are you?
Oli wa myaka emeka?
Nina emyaka 22.
But you still have hope.
Wakyaliyo suubyo.
Chicho olifa tuweera bito.
What is it that you cannot forget in your life?
Essubi lyakugweramu.
You lost hope from where?
Mpeddemu kubanga emyaka ejange gigenze n'enkaaga njikoona.
Okonye n'enkaaga.
You are about 60.
Okyalina essubi ly'embaga.
Do you have the hope of being wed?
Essubi ly'embaga nagimala. Nagimala. Okujjako embaga.
Okwanjula.
The introduction.
Embaga okujjako ewa pastor yiga yokka. Naye eby'embaga endala nagimala. Era nali nsibye empeta naye nensalawo nenje eri Mukama ewaayo.
At that age, what? Where do you have the lost hope that your life cannot gain? Say what?
Kyemba kyafuna kyendaba ye nnyumba eyange gye nsuubira nti nyiza obutagifuna.
According to the age you have.
Go
enter your own house.
What is it that you cannot forget in your life?
I'm 32 years.
Myaka 33.
But pastor, me with my husband, as if I don't have a hope.
You and your husband.
Yes.
You don't have a hope.
Like if you tell him something, let's buy this and that.
Omwami wange omugamba tukole kino tugule kino naye tafaayo avuma buvumi.
Only things he thinks I don't know how. Even I'm planning, I say if God help me, let me produce my baby boy. I stop producing, I do my own development.
Era nsaba Mukama nti njagala kuzaalayo mwana mulenzi mbiveeko nkome nkole ebintu byange.
Olina bameka? How many children do you have?
Olina abaana bameka?
I have 3 girls.
Bawala basatu.
Now you are looking a boy.
Yes.
When you get a boy,
kati bw'ofuna omulenzi
and you will stop.
Yeah, right now I'm pregnant, but I want a boy. If God
ndi
can
lubuto
help.
naye sina mwana mulenzi.
You want a boy.
Oyagala mwana
Yes.
mulenzi?
When you get a boy, are you going to stop to produce?
Kati bw'onoofuna omwana omulenzi onookomawo okuzaala?
Yes, pastor, if I have hope.
Pastor, true, I will stop.
Women, you
Njakomaawo.
always talking like that. I'll never do it again. I'll never do it again.
Abakazi boogera bwe bati sikyaliddamu
After
maama.
3 days we saw you are.
Naye ennaku 2 nga ziyiseewo tumbi sugiraba ng'egenda mu maaso.
That's it. God
Ddayo
bless you.
otule Mukama akwenye omukisa.
Chicho olifa tuweera bito.
What is it that you cannot forget in your life?
Emyaka gy'olimu.
For the age you have,
Okyasuubirayo obugagga.
do you have hopes of gaining wealth?
Kama webazibwe pastor.
Amen.
Mazina tumwesigire Husaini. Ekintu kubanza kusaba Mukama kubaasa ku emyaka imazire ndi kukora. Takufuna sente.
You are losing a hope.
You lost
Emyaka
hope.
ina 35 tiyine kinyini. Nkoko ndi nikondi.
Olina emyaka emeka?
How old are you?
35.
35.
35.
Wena.
Yonna.
35.
35 abaana
years.
nina babiri ate nakabazaala kati nabo mbadde sibayina.
Baana.
Eh.
Oluswana nalwo lwannyo.
Luswana.
South Africa nalwo.
I'm spoiled by the Swana language.
Baana.
Eh.
Sawulya ng'agamba baana bategeeza bannange.
Eh.
Wena.